Okay, here's John. He's been fighting a northern underneath the boat. Silver spoon. Hardly worthy of a video, but it's been a very slow day.
I'm surprised he didn't cut me off yet. He's got it swallowed.
Here's a net.
Man, I like some bigger than that.
Well, you caught, what, a couple 30s today. That's a small fish, but a fighter. Okay, John, it's been so long since we had something to film, I forgot how to use this thing.
Oh, look, get him jump.
Nice bass. We're out on a reef. John's fished this before, I'm sure, but this boat hasn't been out here.
I save all my good spots for when we're desperate.
Nice.
Nice big power.
What do you think?
About 18.
18?
Yeah.
Nice. Hold it up. Show them the lure.
A big old swim bait.
Swim bait again. A big one.
Nice old bass. Yep. Well, Mike has to be cheating. We had leftover night crawlers from sturgeon fishing.
Bass like night crawlers.
They love them.
That's my third one. Third fish, right? Oh, you hit the boat. And I'll leave a mark. There we go. These are nice bass.
That is beauty, yeah.
Dandy.
Yep.
Okay, so John answers right back. I catch one fish, and John goes crazy catching a whole bunch of fish.
Not bad. Well, he's as big as yours, though. Good guy.
You want the net?
Yeah, that's a little bit too heavy to...
Alright, I'm turning this off.
Yeah.